Hello there, BoBo the Bitcoiner is back. Is there an easier way to learn and use Bitcoin? Given the opportunity, I would love to design a system that makes buying and selling Bitcoin super easy. Also, allowing Bitcoin to be used seamlessly. Alright. Sometimes I wonder why no one think about it or design it up to now. There should be two components in the design or the system I'm talking. One, Bitcoin as a product, and two, the wallet as a storage. Only two components. Alright, super easy. The first thing is, it must be a decentralized wallet as at the heart of the system. Let's call this BoBo Wallet, alright, for simplicity's sake. Decentralized wallet because BoBo Wallet do not hold your key. As the owner, you are the only one or only rightful one to hold the key. That takes away the security concern for everyone, right? Remember, not your key, not your coin. Now, BoBo Wallet can be installed on your computer and mobile phone, of course, for easy use or easy transaction. This allows you to use it anytime, anywhere, and everywhere, always at your service. BoBo Wallet will have built-in features like buy and sell Bitcoin. This takes away the crypto exchange, which is currently a concern, like hacking or exchange collapsed. Why? BoBo Wallet will have nothing to hack because you hold the key, right? It cannot collapse because BoBo Wallet has no asset to speculate or to manipulate. It is purely a service-oriented wallet earning a simple transaction fee, and the fee will be as low as possible, since the main criteria is to make not to make money but to generate Bitcoin adoption worldwide. I am only a facilitator, right? Now the Bitcoin wallet has your Bitcoin, or BoBo Wallet has your Bitcoin. The next feature will be usage, right? Because your Bitcoin is in the BoBo Wallet, it will allow you to buy products from the shop, from the restaurant, or any online purchase. So the whole idea of BoBo Wallet is to allow you to buy Bitcoin and then use your Bitcoin as easy as possible in any way you like to purchase. It's your Bitcoin after all, right? Practically, it means that BoBo Wallet allows you to deposit fiat money from your bank, then use that to buy Bitcoin. All right, the BoBo Wallet will then be linked to the API application programming interface to a decentralized marketplace where buying and selling of Bitcoin is listed. Once the Bitcoin is bought, only you own the private key. Similarly, should you buy Bitcoin, you are the only one to release the Bitcoin with your private key. The fiat money can then be allowed to withdraw back to your bank. So throughout the process, BoBo Wallet will never have your key. You are completely safe. That makes buy and sell Bitcoin as easy as ABC. Similarly, when using your Bitcoin to purchase, you alone will release the exact Bitcoin amount to the merchant with your private key. So far, so easy, right? The only thing you need to do or remember is your password. Stop trying to remember every password you need in your life. Follow my simple password formula in my YouTube episode 148. You have one formulated password only. That's all. Right? Life will be much easier. No stress. So that's about it, guys. No worry, no stress, nothing much to learn, nothing much to remember in navigating the BoBo Wallet infrastructure. Forget about the crypto exchange and the many other different kinds of wallet. Right? No requirement of cryptographic signatures and authentication spanning across different blockchain network just to protect your Bitcoin. Life will be easier, simpler, isn't it? I'm sure that with such a simple ease of operation, put in money, buy Bitcoin, then use it to purchase, your parents or even your grandparents will know how to use it. If they can use PayPal or Pay Now today, this BoBo Wallet is chicken feed. Huh? Why didn't somebody think about it? Now, the question is, find someone to design the BoBo Wallet program. I just conceptualized. It can be done. And I wish I am younger, born again, but I'm too old for that. You guys, especially the young guys, think about it, all right? Hope this episode tickle your brain to think of something innovative in the Bitcoin environment. Okay? Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.